Comprehensive Human Laboratory Immunology, Principles, Protocols, and Application by Ibrahim M. Eshnava. The book text covers the basic principles, protocols, and applications of human laboratory immunology presented in a comprehensive attitude. The nature of the material presentation was in an essay style. In general, the essay text structure starts with an abstract, introduction, inducer, immune responses, immunopathogenesis, sampling, processing, findings, interpretations, immunodiagnostic tips, conclusion, and references. The essay Chapter 1 described the method for the preparation of antigens. Essay 2 covered the attributes of immune competence. Immune resilience, the current update concept, was stated in Essay 3. The protocols for the immunization of laboratory animals were depicted in Essay 4. Facts on immune simulation between mammalian laboratory animals and human beings were outlined in Essay 5. The practical aspects of the detection of immune responses were explained in Essays 6 and 7. Humoral innate immunity was briefed in Essays 9 and 10. Natural innate and adaptive immunity were mostly functioning in a cooperative manner. To this end, complement system studies were made in Essays 11 and 12. Humoral antibody-mediated immunity covering normoglubulin, cryoglobulin, and pyroglobulin were detailed in Essays 13 to 15. The immunology of human bacteriosis, including typhoid, brucellosis, and tuberculosis, was mentioned in Essays 18 to 20. The immunology of human disease conditions like persistent pyuria, vaginosis, infertility, burns, allergy, diabetes, energy, and cancer molecular immunology were presented in Essays 21 to 28. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.